just this morning I messed up. I was on two VPSs at once, and I run a command on one, and I meant it to run it on the other, and it caused me a problem. So I decided I'm going to have a custom prompt on each one of my servers. That way when I go in, I just at a glance, I look at it and go, look at that, I know where I am here right now. So I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to do a search for, say I already did one, for terminal prompt generator. Terminal, that's the terminal like you type in, and a prompt generator. And here it is. Now what this will allow you to do is make your own prompt. Down here is what the prompt will look like. Down in this section here. What I want to do is put some extra characters in. I want to go VPS ToyBox. I'll do MyLinuxToyBox. MyLinuxToyBox. With a space after it. No, I don't even need a space. Let's go. Now there's what my prompt will look like right there. Now when I now I want to have it on a color. I'll make this a color. So we'll take this and do it on a background of red. And I kind of like those red letters. That's nice. And my what else do I want in there? And my current directory. Followed by a $sign. Okay, that's what I want my prompt to look like. Let's do this permanent directory and make it in a color too. Let's make that a foreground of black and a background of white. And that will be my prompt. Now, if I paste this into my bash, I should be able to have that prompt be the color I want it to be. So there it is, right there. I'm going to change these doubles to a single because I'm going to make this a quote or an echo, and I can't have you can't have apostrophes within apostrophes if you're echoing into a file. So what I'm going to do here is go echo that command into my home /bash rc. Now what that will do is echo that line in the very last entry into the bash rc. Now I'm going to take my bash rc and source it. Source just means to reload it again. Now when I source it, it should, there it goes. Now I have my custom prompt. Every time I come in here, that's what my prompt will look like. So at a glance I can tell that that's where I am. At a glance I see I'm on my VPS and it's MyLinuxToyBox. And my current directory is home. It keeps me from getting mixed up now. And I'll actually do the background in a little bit different. I might do one on a red, MyLinuxToyBox on red. I might do, if I'm in my other VPS, which is jacknorthrop.com, I might do it with a blue with a blue on white or something, but so at a glance they look different. As a matter of fact, I'll do it on orange because my website has orange in it. So when I see that orange, I'll automatically associate it with my website. Hey, this is a nice little hint, simple thing, but keep you from getting confused. Especially if you have more than one VPS and you're jumping around. I've got 3 different VPSs. Sometimes I have all 3 open at the same time, and I even transfer files from one to another. So it's very important when I glance at that terminal that I don't get it mixed up with another. Hey, thank you very much. Subscribe. There's a lot of little useful hints in here.